No! Dad fell in.
What just happened? Let's find out and learn how to talk about yesterday. Look at the pink words. They are the past tense.
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
This is nice. I needed a coffee.
Me too! Well, an iced chocolate.
Yesterday was such a crazy day.
Crazy? I nearly drowned yesterday.
Dad, you did not nearly drown.
I fell into the river. The water was freezing.
Okay. Let's talk about yesterday from the beginning. What did we do first?
We rode a hot air balloon.
We had to be there at 6 a.m., but Dad overslept.
But we made it. I got ready fast.
We rode a hot air balloon early in the morning.
That was my favorite part.
We flew over the mountains. The view was amazing.
I could see the whole town from up there.
And Mount Yote was so close.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine. The balloon was interesting.
Dad was scared.
I was not scared. I was just careful.
Dad, you closed your eyes for 10 minutes.
I was resting.
You grabbed my arm so tight. It still hurts.
Fine. I was a little scared. It was very high.
When you finally opened your eyes, what did you say?
I said it was beautiful.
He said, "Wow, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen."
And then he closed his eyes again.
Okay, yes, that happened.
After the balloon, what did we do?
We made pizza.
That was so fun.
We went to a farm in the mountains.
First, we picked vegetables from the field.
I picked tomatoes and basil.
Then we made our pizzas. They gave us the dough. It was so soft and puffy.
I loved touching it. It felt so nice. First, I spread the dough with a rolling pin.
I put tomato sauce, cheese, and mushrooms on mine.
I put cheese, and more cheese, and a little basil.
So much cheese, Jack. Everyone made nice round pizzas. I tried to make a heart-shaped pizza.
Mine was really round.
Mine too.
But Dad's pizza...
What? It was fine.
Dad, it looked like a tooth.
It really did, like a big tooth.
It was creative.
The staff looked at it and didn't say anything.
She wanted to laugh. I could see it.
It tasted good. The shape doesn't matter.
And Dad put too many toppings on it.
I like toppings.
When he tried to eat a slice, everything fell off.
The cheese, the sauce, the vegetables, everything just slid off.
So I ate it with a fork.
Pizza with a fork.
My pizza was really good, though.
Mine too. The fresh vegetables were so good. And in the afternoon?
We went rafting!
Right. We went rafting after lunch.
The river was so fast!
And the water was really cold.
The guide told us to hold on tight.
Did you hold on, Dad?
Of course I did, but the raft hit a big rock.
And then Dad fell into the water.
Oh my
The
God!
water was so cold. I couldn't breathe.
Hold on.
The guide jumped in and pulled Dad out.
Everyone on the raft was worried.
But I was fine. I swam for a bit.
Dad, the guide carried you back.
Okay, he helped me a little.
What a disaster, Dad.
At least nobody else fell in.
Because we listened to the guide. You didn't.
Oh, I got a message.
Who is it?
It's from the neighbor, from the hotel.
The guy from the hot spring? The one who saw Dad splash?
Yes, him. He said, "How was rafting? I went today and it was so much fun."
Are you going to tell him what happened?
Of course. He already saw my bath disaster. He already heard Jack knock on his door at 5 a.m. At this point, he knows everything. Okay. It was fun, but I fell into the river and sent. He wrote back.
What does it say?
The splash man strikes again.
That was our day yesterday in Niseko. Can you use the past tense now? We rode a balloon, we made pizza, and we went rafting. And Dad had 3 disasters in one day.
Hey,
Don't miss the next episode. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.